Psychology shows that there are 3 types of narcissists, and some are easier to spot than others. First off, they're grandiose narcissists. Grandiose narcissists are often very charming. They exude confidence, but you can spot them by their lack of empathy, because the moment things are no longer about them, they turn indifferent or in some cases nasty. Then you have the vulnerable narcissist. The vulnerable narcissist constantly feels unappreciated, ignored, always the victim. Vulnerable narcissists weaponize your sympathy for them. What's interesting is that even though vulnerable narcissists appear completely opposite from the grandiose narcissists on the surface, the dynamic ends up being the same. And the second you take the attention off them, they punish you for it. The malignant narcissist is the worst of all. They feel a need to have power over others. And the red flag here is that they take an actual pleasure in other people's failures and suffering. Now you might be asking, how do I deal with each of these narcissists? And the solution is actually quite simple. You stay the fuck away from them.